Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are fine at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Success is never permanent, failure is never final. So always do not stop effort until your victory makes a history. So dear children, we are coming up with the great persons, successful stories as well as the failure stories. Today, I came up with two more great persons who achieved success despite of their failures. So let us see who the persons are. I think you are very eager to know the persons. Yes, they are Walt Disney and Henry Ford. The two persons who achieved a great success. Till now, the success is going on despite of their failures. So first let us see the Walt Disney. Walt Disney. So Walt Disney, after listening the word Disney, immediately you will remember Mickey Mouse, the famous cartoon. Isn't it? Yes. Who is Walt Disney? He is an American animator. He is a multi-talented person. Not only an animator, he is a film producer, director, screenwriter, voice actor, animator, entrepreneur, entertainer, international icon and philanthropist. He is very interested in cartoons from his childhood. He used to be in his imagination world always. He developed so many contributions towards the cartoons. He contributed his cartoons during World War to America in order to motivate the citizens, motivate the soldiers. He got so many rejections that he has no talent, no imagination. But do you know, children, his imagination is the creation of the animation characters. He was cheated by his colleagues, stealing the animated characters during his early work, doing his early job searchings, doing his cartoon characters. But he didn't stop it. He wanted to create more and more, and he came up producing the films. Do you know, he is well known for fictional characters. His first animation character is Oswald, the Lucky Rabbit. And he has taken so many films as a producer, as a director, and gives voice also to the Mickey Mouse. His famous films are Snow White and Seven Dwarfs, and the famous Cinderella. Children, I think you are well known about Cinderella, the beautiful girl created by Walt Disney. I loved it. I think you also love it. And the famous Jungle Book, Alice in Wonderland and Fantasia. He got 59 nominations for his animation character Mickey Mouse. This is a Mickey Mouse. And he got 32 Oscar awards for his animation character. He got 300 rejections to create his dreaming land, the Disneyland. And he declares the Disneyland, the opening of Disneyland as a Black Sunday, as he got so many failures. But now at present, it is one of the imagination beautiful land who thrives to see the land. So he is very famous for his quotes and for his cartoons and his imagination portraits in the form of art. His famous printables are: laughter is timeless, imagination has no age, and dreams are forever. Remember, you are the one who can fill the world with sunshine. First think, second believe, third dream, and finally dare. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. In bad times and in good, I have never lost my sense of just for life. What he thinks is, it is a kind of fun to do the impossible. Everyone will do the possible things, but doing impossible thing is the power. You will get the fun.